how to find your Telegram profile link. So in this video, I'll show you step by step how to find and copy your Telegram profile link using your Android device or iOS device. First of all, open up your Telegram app. After you open the Telegram app, now you can tap on this menu at the top left side. Now you can tap on your profile picture. So in this session now, you can tap and hold on your username to copy the username. Tap and hold. So now I copy my username of Telegram. So now you can close the Telegram and go and open any browser on your phone. I will use Chrome. After you open any browser, you can tap on this search and you can type in this, as you can see now, HTTPS like this one. So I'll delete the rest one. As you can see now, after you type this HTTPS slash, as can column slash slash, then you can type t.me, then forward slash, then you can type, as you can see now, username. Now you can paste in your username. After you paste in your username like this, now you can come and remove this at icon. So after you remove this at icon, this symbol, so now you can tap on this. As you can see now, here is your Telegram username, your profile link. So as you can see now, as I tap on the link, as you can see now, it opens now my Telegram profile. Here is my Telegram profile. So now you can tap on this link. As you can see now, here it is. Now you can copy the link and go and share it on any social media account that you want to share your Telegram username on it. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.